Welcome to January 2011, Burbank, Illinois, Wizard Extreme. Or Blizzard Extreme. I'm so frozen, I'm not even getting my words right. So I just finished snow blowing the driveway. It was a pain in the butt. I'm going to go ahead and take you out there, show you, and walk around a little bit so you can see the craziness that's going on over here in the city. For you guys on the south side that are like in Florida and whatnot, in warm places, kudos to you. I'm opening up the garage door so you can see this thing. It's crazy. Check this out. That right there is snow. Wow. Wow. This is crazy, people. Look at this.
Everyone. This is so just do it.
He wants me to throw him in the snow.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Okay, that would have been better.
Come here, boy. Go over there. Good boy. Come here, boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Wanna go again?
Take it over to 79th Street. You really can't see much what's going on here, but it's crazy. There's my house right there. I was gonna walk around the block, but I think that's kind of nuts.